Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make chocolate pound cake. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin. Una, i-cream lang natin yung butter. I-make sure nyo lang na nasa room temperature ang butter na gagamitin para madali nyo itong mag-cream. After that, ilagay nyo na yung granulated sugar. Tapos, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well combined. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo na rin yung 4 na itlog. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa maging well incorporated. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung instant coffee na dissolve sa 1/3 cup of milk. Then, i-add nyo na rin yung vanilla extract. At ngayon, i-sift nyo lang lahat ng dry ingredients gaya ng all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder at ang salt. I-sift nyo lang yung lahat ng dry ingredients properly to make sure na wala itong magiging lumps. After that, haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa maging well incorporated at maging smooth ang mixture. Then, i-transfer nyo na yung batter sa isang baking pan. After that, i-spread out nyo lang yung mixture all over the pan. Pagkatapos, i-tap nyo lang ito gently to make sure na evenly distributed ito sa pan. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. At ayan, luto na yung pound cake natin. I-set aside nyo lang muna ito at hayaan yung lumamig. At ngayon, i-prepare muna natin yung chocolate glaze. Sa isang double boiler, combine lang natin yung chocolate at ang heavy cream. After that, haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa matunaw ang chocolate. Then, i-add nyo na yung butter at i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo hanggang sa matunaw ito. Kapag ready na yung glaze, ibuhos nyo lang ito sa ibabaw ng pound cake. I-spread out nyo lang yung glaze at i-make sure na all sides are covered. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng strawberries or any fruits of your choice sa ibabaw. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare na rin ang video ito para everybody happy! Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys! Till our next vlog!